Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. PiNetwork, one of the leading blockchain projects that has amassed over 67 million users globally, is poised to take a significant leap forward in its journey. What started with a vision to bring cryptocurrency to the masses through mobile mining is now transitioning into a global financial ecosystem with support from the largest institutions in the financial sector. This evolution is a pivotal moment as PiNetwork moves toward mainstream adoption and institutional recognition, further solidifying its place in the digital economy. With the increase in institutional adoption of cryptocurrency, including significant steps taken by some of the world's largest banks to enter the crypto custody space, PiNetwork is strategically positioned to capitalize on this growing trend. Notably, financial giants such as State Street and Citibank have recently announced their plans to offer crypto custody services, signaling a shift in the financial landscape that is more welcoming to digital assets. Institutional adoption of cryptocurrency is a growing trend. Traditionally, conservative financial institutions have started to embrace the transformative potential of blockchain and digital assets. State Street, the world's largest custodian bank, along with Citibank, is making strides in the crypto custody market by launching services that will store and manage digital assets like PiCoin for institutional clients. This move offers greater assurance to large investors and businesses looking to participate in the crypto space without the associated risks of securing digital assets themselves. The entry of major financial players into the cryptocurrency market has been a critical turning point in the legitimacy and stability of digital assets. As more institutional investors show interest, it increases confidence in the viability of the sector. For PiNetwork, this signifies a tremendous opportunity to tap into a broader pool of capital and investors who are now more inclined to explore the world of decentralized finance. PiNetwork has long stood apart for its mission to offer an accessible and decentralized alternative to the existing financial system. As the launch of Open Network draws closer, PiNetwork is on track to become a pivotal force in global finance. The project, which has already demonstrated its commitment to decentralization and user accessibility, is now ready to introduce new features that will allow PiCoin to function as a legitimate, globally accepted form of currency. The upcoming Open Network launch on February 20th, 2025 will open the doors to a fully operational PiNetwork where users will be able to leverage the full potential of the ecosystem. Among the highly anticipated developments is the release of 100 decentralized applications which will enable PiCoin to be used in a wide array of transactions and services, further solidifying its role as a practical and usable cryptocurrency. One of the key innovations of PiNetwork's upcoming launch is the introduction of two core functions, Pi as money and Pi as a stablecoin. This dual functionality will allow PiCoin to serve as both a store of value and a medium of exchange, making it an attractive option for users and businesses alike. Stablecoins, which are pegged to stable assets like the US dollar, offer a less volatile option compared to traditional cryptocurrencies, making them ideal for everyday transactions and financial stability. Pi's positioning as a stablecoin gives it a significant edge in the crypto market, offering users the security of a stable digital asset while retaining the flexibility of a decentralized currency. This development makes PiCoin not only a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies, but also an innovative solution to the inherent volatility seen in many digital currencies. One of the most exciting announcements in recent weeks is the successful integration of Ripple, or XRP, with PiNetwork. This strategic partnership with XRP highlights Pi's commitment to improving the efficiency of its network and expanding its reach within the broader crypto ecosystem. By leveraging Ripple's network, PiNetwork can significantly enhance the speed and cost efficiency of transactions, making it easier for users to send and receive Pi coins across borders. Ripple's integration is part of PiNetwork's broader strategy to build partnerships with established players in the crypto world. With XLM and XRP assisting in the launch of Pi's open network, PiCoin will be well positioned to disrupt traditional financial systems and introduce a new way of organizing global economic activity from day one. As PiNetwork prepares for its open network launch, one of the most significant developments is the introduction of the ability to swap fiat for Pi coin on exchanges that have passed the Know Your Business, or KYB, process. This means that individuals and institutions who wish to obtain Pi coin without going through the mining process can purchase it directly through participating exchanges. However, there will be certain limits placed on the amount of Pi that can be exchanged for fiat currency, which is designed to maintain the stability and value of the coin. For Pi users who have been mining Pi coins for years, this represents a major milestone in their journey. With the official launch of the open network, the long-anticipated ability to use Pi for real-world transactions, investments, and savings is now within reach. However, users are reminded to use Pi wisely, as it is now considered money, not just a speculative trading asset. With institutional support from major banks like State Street and Citibank, alongside PiNetwork's upcoming open network launch, the project is set to usher in a new era for the global financial system. The ability to use Pi coin as both money and a stablecoin positions it as one of the most exciting digital assets on the market. Additionally, the partnership with Ripple, XRP, will provide Pi with the technological foundation needed to scale effectively and efficiently. The launch of Open Network is just the beginning. As PiNetwork continues to develop and integrate with other cryptocurrencies, its potential to reshape the financial landscape becomes ever clearer. For the millions of pioneers who have believed in Pi since its inception, the future is bright. The Open Network launch marks the start of an exciting journey that could fundamentally change the way we interact with money and financial systems worldwide. As PiNetwork prepares to go global, the opportunities for adoption and integration into the world's economy are limitless. Whether as a stablecoin, a decentralized currency, or a digital asset, PiCoin is ready to make its mark in the financial world, and the next few years will be crucial in shaping the future of digital finance. Thank you.